Hello YouTube, Dr. Solar. So, as you could see, I have another box and it has the fragile sticker on it. Fragile, I don't know why it shows broken to indicate fragile, but I guess that's what it is. And it has the UN3481 sticker, which is what you place on batteries. And then I guess more fragile, it has my name. I guess by now you know my name is Christopher, even though I call myself Dr. Solar. So for YouTube, I'm Dr. Solar. Outside of YouTube, I'm Christopher. And then there's our Dyness. So this is a battery, but you can see the size comparison. So we'll see how this compares to that one and what this is. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Hello YouTube, Dr. Solar. So here you see the box. So this is the major difference between, what do you call it, Ricoh and this manufacturer, Dyness. They put them in this box, but this is not as sturdy as the last one they sent. So as you could see, here is the box. So now I'm going to open the box, and then you could see how it's packaged on the inside. And then I'll try and remove the battery. It's pretty heavy. I don't think I could do it alone, but I'll try. Hi, Dr. Solar. Okay, so here we are, the box is open. Let me show you around it, which I already did before. Something I like about the Chinese is they go out of the way to, I guess they're used to sending stuff to markets where they mistreat items. And when I was trying to move this box, there were things moving loosely inside. But as you could see there's some signs of damage here. Some signs of damage over there. The top is okay, and as you can see, they have little padding on the corners. I like that very much, in addition to it being in a wooden box. So yes, so they know that someone will either drop it, as you can see the corner over there, or someone will try to perforate it. As I could see from the bags and the box, it was wrapped in, but you know, they went out of the way to give you some extra. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. So here is your packing list, your cables, your mounting screws, your communication cables, and I'm seeing something new here that I don't know what it is, but I'll figure it out when I go to install it. So that's the first item. I'm going to take it out of the box. Here is a bracket to hold them to the side. Ooh, it's jammed in there real tight. Here is a bracket to hold the box, the battery to the side in the event you choose to not... Oh, Jesus Christ, it's really tough. Okay, this is wedged in much tighter than I expected. Yep, much tighter than I expected. So, I will have to use two hands, and I'll be back to show you what I have uncovered. But here is the battery itself. It's the smaller version. It's called the PowerDepot, the Dyness PowerDepot 5.0. So I uncovered something while I was trying to take this apart. So what I found out was the battery is sitting in the bracket that holds it. This is actually a mount, kind of a carrier. You mount it onto the wall and the battery sits on it. So the box, I can lift the box up and out to reveal what's in it. So I'm going to do that now. So it's out of the box, as you can see it. And even with the precautions the Chinese took, you can see a little dent on the side of the box. So you can imagine this were my Ricoh batteries, they would suffer substantially more damage than what you see. So here's the Dyness PowerDepot. Dyness energy storage system. I'm going to stand next to the other one, power box, so you can see the differences. So here it is 48 volts and it is 100 amp hours. So it's 4.8 kilowatt hours. Let me see if you can read that. Let me turn this. So it has your power switch right there. And then here's your communication port and your battery positive, the battery negative, and your communications port. And this is IP65 as well, so you could install it outside. So let me place it side by side with the power box, and then you can see how it compares. And then when we install this next week, hopefully we can do a video to show you what it looks like. Okay, YouTube, so now you can see the comparison between the PowerDepot and the power box. Big difference, right? So when I got the power box, it was a 4.8 kilowatt hour, power box 5.0, and then they decided that it didn't make any sense to give you such a large enclosure for you to purchase such small battery capacity. So they've sold you one that they call the PowerDepot 5 kilowatt hours, which makes sense, as opposed to selling that huge one to store 5 kilowatt hours, and then you could potentially upgrade. And what it does for them actually is it allows them to sell you bigger batteries while also offering you smaller batteries. So if you need anything bigger than this, you either buy multiples of this or you buy one that's 10 kilowatt hours. It makes perfect sense, perfect business case, and I'm liking it. So this is it. Pretty psyched. Smaller form factor, heavy as the thing is heavy. It's very heavy. I don't know what it weighs, but it weighs a lot. I tried picking it up and I'm feeling some pain right now. So if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. If you had to subscribe, click the subscribe button, and then don't forget to hit the bell notification to the top right. I think that's where it is. It looks like a bell. And if you have any comments or any questions, please post them in the comment section below. Once again, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria.